How can I keep up with all the material I have to go through? This is the repeating question I always had in my mind before getting into university. How can I possibly learn and take notes with the insane program ahead? I wish there was a tool that could help me organize all the materials for me so I can just focus on studying. Think about it. When your inputs are chaotic, a dozen browser tabs open to disparate notes, and a mind filled with fragmented thoughts, your input can only be confusion. The quality of your thinking is a direct reflection of the quality of your inputs. Your brain is trying to build a coherent structure on a foundation of digital rubble. Imagine a tool that doesn't just organize this chaos, but that intelligently synthesizes it into a coherent, functional knowledge base and does it in mere minutes. This is about a fundamental, permanent shift in how you interact with and master information. It's about moving from being a passive consumer to an active architect of your knowledge. The modern student isn't drawing for a lack of information, you're drawing in it, lacking the tools to synthesize it effectively or to even make sense of it. The problem isn't that you're inherently disorganized, it's that you're operating in a completely outdated model for learning in a digital world. Students can lose a lot of their dedicated study time, maybe half of it, to what can only be described as digital janitorial work. That's nearly 2 hours of 5-hour study sessions spent just trying to find things. Looking at one definition lost on a digital scrap of paper, finding the right slide from a 100-page desk, or trying to remember which video contained that key explanation. That lost time represents a massive drain of your cognitive capacity. Cognitive load theory tells us that our working memory can only handle a small amount of new information at once. When you force it to consistently switch context and search for misplaced data, you're creating what researchers call extraneous cognitive load. It's mental work that has nothing to do with actual learning. It's a task on your focus. We're here to reclaim that squandered mental energy. Google's NotebookLM is a tool designed precisely for this purpose. It's an AI research system that acts as your personal knowledge synthesizer. And the most remarkable part, it's free to use. Let's be brutally honest about the state of modern study. Your focus isn't being pickpocketed by random distractions. It's being systematically dismantled by a fragmented digital environment of your own making. Every time you jump from a PDF textbook to a professor's lecture note, then to a web article, and back to the half-finished thought in a separate document, you forced your brain to perform a cognitive reset. You're not just changing windows, you're forcing a context switch that breaks your state of deep concentration. You aren't truly learning, you're perpetually reorienting, trying to find your place again. This constant fragmentation is a primary enemy of synthesis, the act of connecting disparate ideas to form a greater cohesive understanding. The result isn't just a late-night panic attack before an exam, fueled by caffeine. The true cost is a shallow, surface-level grasp of complex idea. You might memorize facts, but you fail to build the deep, interconnected knowledge that leads to the true mastery. NotebookLM was designed from the ground up to solve this exact problem. To create a single, unified knowledge layer where synthesis can finally happen with the right dose, not too much to the point where you would lose data from the source. Imagine a partner, one that has not just read, but has fully internalized your entire curriculum, every lecture, every textbook chapter, every research paper you're currently studying. This is not just another generalized AI chatbot you can solve with random questions. NotebookLM is a private, synthesized model of only your own specific knowledge base. It leverages the power of Google's advanced Gemini model that does something crucially different. It constrains the AI exclusively to the sources you provide, which significantly reduce the hallucinations of the other chatbots. This creates a closed intellectual ecosystem. There's no digital noise, no conflicting or unverified information pulled from the vast, chaotic open web. Just a clear, focused signal derived directly from your own material. That partner is an expert in your world and nothing else. You don't need to become an expert in writing complex prompts to get what you need. Your only job is to provide high quality sources, and the AI becomes an expert on them, ready to help you unpack their meaning. And because the privacy is paramount, the source materials you upload is not used to train the model. The process of turning digital chaos into intellectual clarity is one of a deliberate, intentional integration. This is shocking fast. Here's the transformation step by step. First, centralize your intellectual space. Go to NotebookLM. You're going to create a new dedicated notebook of your subject. Think of this as the pristine, empty library where you'll build your knowledge base. Give it a name, like chemistry 101, quantum mechanics, renal physiology, neurophysiology, whatever. This creates a clean container, free from the clutter of your other work. Second, ingest the fragmented material. This is where you gather all those scattered digital assets. You can upload up to 50 sources per notebook. This includes your PDFs of textbook chapters, your saved Google Docs with lecture notes, transcripts from video lectures, even links to relevant websites and academic sources. You simply select the files and NotebookLM begins to process them and reading and indexing every single word. Third, initiate the synthesis. This is the magic moment where all your sources loaded into the notebook, the system automatically begins to build connections and identifies the core architecture of the information. It generates a high-level summary, key topics it has identified across multiple documents, and prepares itself for your questions. In less than 5 minutes, you have moved from a pile of disconnected files to an integrated and intelligent knowledge base. And by the way, if these ideas on moving from information chaos to knowledge synthesis resonates with you, take a moment to subscribe to the channel to explore them further. In 2 weeks, we'll be doing a deep dive on integrating these AI-driven systems with spaced repetition tools like Anki, creating an automated and ruthlessly efficient process to make your learning permanent. You won't want to miss it. The most immediate and powerful result of this synthesis is a knowledge framework. Once your resources are uploaded, look for a feature called Notebook Guide. Within it, we'll find an option labeled Study Guide. With a single click, NotebookLM generates a clean, logical architecture of the entire subject based on your materials. It's not just a simple summary, it's a structured, high-level map of your course. It identifies core concepts, pulls out guiding principles, and lists rational data points. It might generate key questions and then provide concise answers. But here's the critical part that builds absolute truth and utility. Each point in the generated study guide is anchored directly to its origin. Next to every summary point or definition, you will see a citation number. Clicking it instantly shows you the exact quote from your original source material. I think that feature is precious and time-saving. This allows you to move frictionlessly from high-level overview to the most granular detail and back again, ensuring you're always grounded in the facts you provided. Passive review, simply rereading your notes or highlighting text, it's one of the least effective ways to study. Science already explained that in multiple occasions. True understanding and long-term retention require you to actively test your mental models. This is the principle of active recall, a technique proven by cognitive science to be one of the most powerful learning strategies. Active recall forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening the neural pathways associated with that memory. The quiz function with NotebookLM serves as your personal active recall mechanism. It doesn't pull from a generic question bank, it generates questions directly from your unique knowledge base. It creates an essential feedback loop for learning. When you attempt an answer, you're forcing your brain to work, to think, to reason. And the real learning happens when you get something wrong. An incorrect answer doesn't lead to a frustration dead end. Instead, because every piece of information is cited, you're directed back to the precise source material where the answer lies. This process reinforces the neural pathway correctly, ensuring you don't just learn the right answer, but you also understand why it's the right answer, cementing it in your long-term memory. With this method, you can master any topic regardless of the level of complexity. In fact, I use this method personally to learn all the complex topics in genetics, pathophysiology, biochemistry, you name it. The modern learning environment should be as mobile as you are. To truly master a subject, you need to leverage your time through multiple modal learning, engaging with material through different senses like sight and sound. You should engage with the material even when you're not actively learning. For example, when you're cooking, cleaning the house, your car, or doing dishes, you have to get your brain in a more digestible format. This approach has been shown to improve retention and keep learners more engaged. The audio overview feature in NotebookLM transforms your dense written sources into conversational synthesis. With a click, it generates an audio discussion like a short podcast between two AI voices that talk through the key concept, debate ideas, and make connections found within your documents. This isn't a robotic text-to-speech reading. It's a dynamic voice. It's a dynamic conversation that can make complex material more accessible and memorable. Suddenly, your commute becomes a study session. Your time at the gym becomes an extension of your intellectual environment. You can absorb knowledge passively during times you spent in motion, reinforcing the concept you studied actively earlier. You can even download the audio as an MP3 to listen anywhere, completely offline. How amazing is that? Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore advanced workflows that turn NotebookLMs into a true cognitive partner. First, synthesized modalities. Don't just upload text. If you have an audio recording of a lecture and the corresponding presentation slides, upload both. The AI can cross-reference the spoken words with the visual information on the slides, creating a time-stamped, deeply interconnected knowledge asset. You can ask, what is the professor saying when slide 12 was on the screen, and get an exact answer. Second, compartmentalize knowledge. The temptation is to throw everything into one giant notebook. Resist it. Use separate, dedicated notebooks to build distinct intellectual models for each subject. This prevents conceptual bleed through, where your understanding of one topic gets modded by another. It creates clean, isolated sandboxes for deep thinking in history, another for biology, and a third for philosophy, ensuring your AI partner is always focused on the right context. And you can visualize connections, which is a new feature. Use the output from NotebookLM to feed a true concept mapping tool. A concept map translates linear information into a network structure, revealing unseen relationship between ideas. You can ask NotebookLM to identify the top 10 keys and their relationships, and then visually map those connections. This shifts your thinking from a flat, one-dimensional list of facts to a rich, three-dimensional web of knowledge, which is how our brain naturally works. At the highest level, you move from asking the AI questions to directing your intelligence partner to create specific, high-value outputs. Think of yourself as a director, not just as a member of the audience. For example, if you're studying history or literature, load your sources and commit it, create a timeline of events from those documents. It will extract all date-related information and structure it chronologically for you. When tackling a dense textbook, comment it. Create one-sentence definition of all the key terms identified in this chapter. This will generate a perfect, concise glossary for rapid review, with every definition cited back to the source. For group projects, this becomes a force multiplier. Upload all the team's research and commit it. Create a briefing document that distills the key findings from those 10 sources into one-page high-level summary. You can instantly get everyone on the same page. In a world of expensive software and subscriptions, the barrier to entry here is effectively non-existent. The core tool, NotebookLM, is completely free to use with a Google account. The free tier offers more than enough power for the vast majority of students and intellectual pursuits. For those who are dealing with truly massive data sets, like medical students with entire library of research, or PhD candidates with years of field notes, there's an option to upgrade to Google One AI Premium. This plan is priced around $19 and expands your cloud storage to 2 terabytes, while also giving you access to Gemini Advanced, Google's most powerful AI tools. But let's be clear, this is a power user upgrade. At most, the free version is all you'll ever need to completely revolutionize your workflow. The potential return on your investment of time is almost infinite. Stop being a passive recipient of information. It's time to start building your intellectual architecture. It's time to go from lower order thinking to higher order thinking. The tool to begin this transformation is available and it's free. You can actually find a link down in the description. Make the choice to move from information chaos to knowledge clarity, and when you do, share your results in the comments. Don't share your grades, share your insight, your experience, your feedback. You can tell us what you've been able to achieve with this newfound clarity, what connections you've discovered, and how it has fundamentally changed the way you learn. Thanks for watching.